Common issues with AWS Amplify Lambda functions can be frustrating and hinder the development process. To address these issues, it is essential to understand the core concepts and best practices of Lambda functions. First, cold starts are a common issue with Lambda functions. This occurs when a function is invoked after a period of inactivity, resulting in slower response times. To mitigate cold starts, implement a keep alive function or use provisioned concurrency. Another issue is function timeouts. When a function takes too long to execute, it can time out and terminate. To avoid timeouts, optimize the function code, increase the timeout limit, or use a message queue to handle long-running tasks. Error handling is also crucial in Lambda functions. Unhandled errors can cause the function to fail and impact the entire application. To handle errors effectively, use try-catch blocks, log errors, and implement retry mechanisms. In addition, memory issues can occur when Lambda functions consume too much memory. To prevent memory issues, optimize the function code, use streaming data processing, or increase the memory limit. Security is also a critical aspect of Lambda functions. To ensure security, use IAM roles, validate user input, and encrypt sensitive data. To troubleshoot issues with Lambda functions, use AWS CloudWatch logs, Aws X-Ray, and AWS Lambda console to monitor and debug the functions. Best practices for Lambda functions include keeping the code concise, using environment variables, and testing the functions thoroughly. By understanding these common issues and best practices, developers can create efficient, scalable, and secure Lambda functions that integrate seamlessly with AWS Amplify. In conclusion, common issues with AWS Amplify Lambda functions can be addressed by understanding the core concepts, implementing best practices, and using the right tools for monitoring and debugging.